Sunday, May 28th, 6:25. Packed up, heading out of camp. Plan is to go into Kent, Connecticut, which is, I hear, a nice, really nice little town. But the Welcome Center there offers coin-operated showers. So I'm going to take advantage of that. And then there is a laundromat in town. So I'm going to get my laundry done as well. It's 13 miles to Kent, and I've got those chores to do, and I still need to do at least 20 plus miles today, because I'm meeting my cousin in 47 miles on Tuesday morning. So anyway, yeah, going down, trail goes that way. I'm gonna put this camera away, get my feet moving. Let's go. All right, just crossed over a road. Coming up on this sign. What is this I see? Welcome to Connecticut. Gateway to New England. Let's go! So far, Connecticut has been gorgeous. Been walking along this river, just enjoying the sounds and the rocks and the birds and the clear path. It's like a park. So I was noticing on far out that there is a Delia market, Bulls Bridge Delia market. It's kind of a Blue Blaze trail off, not too far. So I think I might head there, see if I can't get some coffee, maybe a little sandwich. You know, it's just about hiking for food. But it's been gorgeous so far. Let's see, where's the trail go? Trail goes this way. It's hard to tell it's a trail. It's just like this great big huge path. And it's so groomed and nice and peaceful. Yeah, sometimes it's like that. And you take it when you get it. and you enjoy it. So, I'll show you this trail. Trail goes that way. You know what we do? Let's go! All right, so coming up to the Bulls Bridge, covered bridge. Pretty cool. It's kind of hard to see the sun. Just a little one-lane covered bridge from ye olden days. All right, took the little Blue Blaze over to the Bulls Bridge Country Store. I'm gonna go inside, get some coffee, see what else I need. So I just passed a couple of day hikers, and we've been affectionately calling day hikers trail fresheners for a while now. Just because they smell so good, and the scent of just shampoo and detergent, it's so strong. But I was behind them for just a little bit on this rocky section, and I mean, it was amazing, the amount of good smell that a day hiker has. I must smell horrible to them when I pass. I don't know. They didn't say anything. They didn't say smell you later like that one guy way back in North Carolina. Anyway, I'm just hiking, trying to get to Kent. Oof, this has been a hard section. It was a little gravel road that actually ran parallel to this trail, but it was down in the valley right beside the river, and it would have taken me right to Kent. I probably could have saved 3 hours, a bunch of elevation. And a bunch of struggle. But I wouldn't have been following the white blazes. And that's what we do. That's what we do. So yeah, we'll get there. We're getting there. Trail goes that way. Let's go. The Mount Algo shelter. Just stopped in for a quick break. Put my name in the register. Moving on. Close to town now. Let's go. So I caught a hitch into Kent, and I am looking for the Welcome Center. I think it might be back here. All right, so a little bit of culture shock. There are people everywhere. There's shops everywhere. People out on the street walking. It's this cute little town, but I'm a little bit overwhelmed. But I think I found the welcome center. It's right up here, so I'm gonna go see what the situation is with the shower. All right, we just finished eating at the Shanghai. Very bloated and full. Now we need to find a way back to trail, which is like a mile away, and then hike 8 more miles. In the heat. And what time is it?
4 something. Way too late.
4:51. It's almost 5.
Yeah.
We got this.
Is your market? I'm gonna close at 2 every day.
Nice one. All right, that's what I just came down, and it curves around. That rock is like more of the same all the way to the top. I don't know, this I don't think this is even really doing it justice. Like, it just looks like a boulder of rocks, bunch of rocks, but yeah, it's like just straight down. Like, make one wrong step and like you're tumbling forward kind of stuff. Anyway, all right. Trail goes that way. It's 7 o'clock, a couple more miles to go. So I'm gonna get my feet moving. Let's go. All right, evening update, 8:30. Made it to camp. Setting up my tent, gonna go to bed. Let's go.